Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming the app is updated and has permissions. This avoids interruptions during import. Connect your device or insert the SD card, then choose the fastest transfer method, USB for large batches, AirDrop or cloud for wireless convenience. Once connected, pick an album destination and set the duplicate handling rules so you don't accumulate copies. This first step both organizes and protects your originals, so make those choices now and start importing immediately. Once your photos are imported, focus on structure. Create smart albums and apply tags so you can find shots quickly. This saves hours later. Use filters to surface recent shots by location or by people. Then perform batch operations, crop, rotate, or apply a preset to many images in one go. It's much faster than editing individually. Make non-destructive edits and add star ratings so you can iterate without losing originals. That way you preserve choices and keep a clean, searchable library. Now finalize by exporting or sharing. Select resolution and format, include metadata if you need location or camera details, and choose whether to export originals or edited versions. When sharing, create a link or send directly to social platforms. Enable password or expiration for control. If something goes wrong, sync stalls or missing files, check your account, available storage, and network. If necessary, re-authenticate or force a resync. This usually resolves lost sync states and restores access to your photos.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.